Didn't even get it. Stupid phone. That's what they're doing. They're tree cutters. This sucker came down. Boom. Cutting down the trees.
They're cutting a big
Piss
tree.
me off. Press play and press record. Doesn't do nothing. Garbage always.
They're cutting down the tree.
Yeah, that's what's going on. I thought they were the guys for the fence. Those are tree guys. They're gonna chip it up over there too.
The big branches, they kill the big thing. I don't care if they do that. The branches, some need to be cut down. They're really long.
Probably cutting it down because they gotta get the fence. To be able to fix the fence, you gotta cut the trees down.
Like over there is okay.
You got a big, big cutter right there.
Poor tree, man. It's not nice.
They're gonna get the other one. They're gonna go through the fence, cut it down. We gotta get the stump out. He's gonna throw that up on the tree. That's what he's gonna do. Watch out. Throw it up on the tree. They're gonna